Hello and welcome. I'm Annie Turner, editor of Mobile Europe and host of our upcoming Telecoms Europe live event, which will take place in central London on the 6th and 7th of June 2023. We have a great agenda packed with presentations, discussions and networking opportunities organised for network operators to learn about the latest developments in this fast-moving industry and to explore the current thinking of senior telco executives and tech leaders. Today, I'm delighted to welcome Timo Yrjönä, who is Chief Technologist, Telco, Media and Entertainment in Europe, Middle East and Africa at Red Hat, the platinum sponsor of our event. Timo, it's great to have you with us. How are you?
Thanks, Annie. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking, and very good to be here with you.
Okay, now you're going to be speaking on day one of our event on Tuesday, the 6th of June at 12:05. Could you please tell us something about your presentation?
Absolutely. So what I'm going to talk about is one of the hot topics of today, which is sustainability and energy efficiency in mobile networks. You know, this has been the topic for a long time, but now it's kind of coming back again. It is a wide topic, and it really would deserve viewpoints from many angles. But with the limited time in the event, I will focus very much on what we as Red Hat can do and what we are doing to help industry to achieve the goals on this subject. Now, first of all, Red Hat is a 100% open source company, like people know. We provide software platforms, automation tools, management tools for our customers and partners to enable them to build networks and other use cases. So my talk will focus very much on the work we are doing on container software platform to enhance energy efficiency in network use cases like disaggregated radio access network, as an example, Open RAN, one might say, 5G core network cases, actually pretty much any use case or application which are hosted by our platform. So we are working in about half a dozen open source projects with other collaborators, as always, to develop energy saving features to eventually be integrated into our platform and platforms of other industry players. It's open source, so everybody can use it. Now, there are multiple feature developments in flight in open source projects for this topic, some taking advantage of energy saving features of the underlying hardware platform, of course, some optimization of workload execution, collecting metrics, calculating derived metrics, feed collected metrics into machine learning algorithms for further optimization of energy. And granular control of operating system and platform settings is one of the important factors as well. And there are several others. And I will also give a couple of examples on how we work with our partners to collectively enhance energy efficiency. So that is in a nutshell what my talk will cover in June event.
Well, thank you for that. And also, the Red Hat team is going to be exhibiting. Could you tell our attendees what they'll be able to see at your stand and what they'll be able to learn about?
Yeah, so many of us will indeed be there. This event is a great place for us to tell what we are doing and, of course, meet people in the industry. And our team is happy to have a dialogue with attendees, and we always want to talk about open source itself. That's what we do, what it means, why it is important, and why open source has become a mainstream development model for so many companies and industries as well. And as we all know, it's not just code being open and available, but having the mindset of collaboration, working together, achieving results together, even between fiercest competitors. That's what we do in upstream projects. Yeah, and of course, in addition to that, our team is happy to talk about our product portfolio, which is important. And would be great to see a lot of people stopping by our booth and talk to our team and have a chat and coffee.